Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-9 key battery. First, determine which type of key fob you have, as battery types can vary. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver, which is typically the only tool you'll need. Finally, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, either a CR2025 or CR2032, before you begin. To open your key fob, first locate the small release button, usually on the side or bottom. Press this button and pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot or groove. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage the internal components. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: just like fixing your key fob saves you time, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2025 or CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.